Hello, SEO professionals, and welcome back again to this advanced SEO course by ClickDate. So, today we are going to discuss the very first section of this advanced SEO course. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you can learn in the first section of this advanced SEO course, which will going to provide you tons of value, whether if you are a beginner SEO or an experienced SEO professional. So this is what we are going to cover in today's tutorial. So I'm going to show you the exact steps and the exact tutorials that I wanted to share with you, because those tutorials helped me a lot, and that's why I want my community benefit too. So before we get started, please just make sure that you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial of this great advanced SEO course by ClickDeal. Anyway, so let's get started without further ado. Alright, guys. So, like I said, we are going to discuss the very first section of this advanced SEO course being offered by ClickDeal, which means you should know what you are going to cover in this section of this advanced SEO course. Anyway, so these are basically the topics which we are going to cover, and all of them are super important when it comes to advanced SEO, right? So the first thing I want to teach you is called topical relevancy. So I am going to give you proper tutorials on building a topical relevancy. In the first place, I'm going to teach you what a topical relevancy is. Second, why is it important? Third, how you can build topical relevancy in any niche, whether it is in e-commerce website, service-based website. You know, the point here is that if you are able to build topical relevancy, you can get rank any kind of content in any niche, whether it is competitive or not competitive. So the second thing we are going to cover in this first section is called how to leverage category pages for e-commerce sites or stores, right? So the first thing you should keep in mind here is that doing SEO for an e-commerce store is, harder than doing SEO for a service-based website or a simple website. So that said, doing SEO for an e-commerce website, you often, should follow ideas while optimizing category pages, product pages for SEO, right? So these are basically super pages to which you really want to build or drive some organic traffic in order to boost the sales of any e-commerce website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how we optimize category pages or product pages for our e-commerce SEO clients. So the third point you're going to cover is called how to boost your site conversions. Now, you may say that, yeah, it's okay, we can do SEO for e-commerce stores, we can drive organic traffic, but sometime you still will need to optimize the conversion, right? The CRA, conversion rate optimization. So, because the end goal of the SEO is not driving the organic traffic, but the end goal of SEO is to drive organic traffic that generate sales, that actually makes a purchase on a website. That means you do not only have to bring the organic traffic, instead you will also try to bring quality traffic, which you're that is actually interested in buying something from that specific website in question. So that said, the fourth thing you need to cover is what is why search, and how to find out why search related keywords. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn everything related to why search SEO. First, we will cover what is the why search. Second, we will cover why search SEO is important for any kind of website. Third, I'm going to show you how you can find out why search related keywords in order to optimize for. So the last but not the least thing we are going to cover is how to optimize your content for wide search, right? The fifth point is basically related to the fourth point, because in the fourth point you are going to cover what is wide search, how to find wide search related keywords. In the fourth tutorial of this section, I'm going to show you how you can actually optimize any kind of content for a wide search SEO in order to get or boost the organic traffic or capture the users who uses voice search technology to search for services or product. So guys, that's the end of the tutorial, and this is what exactly you are going to cover in this very first section of advanced SEO course being offered by ClickTip. So like I said earlier, in this course I am going to teach you all my secret methods, my secret SEO strategies, my secret tactics that we use at our SEO agency to 10x the organic traffic for any kind of website, whether it is an e-commerce website, it is service-based website, it is a personal portfolio website, or whatever, right? So these strategies are proven, tested. Okay, so before we end up with the tutorial, once again please make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial. Also, I really want you to support this tutorial, and for that what you can do is to simply like this tutorial, share this tutorial with your peers and friends. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial, which will be based on what is topical relevancy, how you can build topical relevancy, and how it can boost your website authority in the search results. So thanks for watching.